So in order to delete your Pinterest account, first please visit Pinterest website. You may need to log in to your account. Uh, as you can see, I have done already log into my account. You can also add account easily like this. After successful login to your account, tap on the below down icon on top right corner and then to settings. And as you can see, this is my profile. Before deleting your account, please, I would like to recommend you to back up all your pins and projects. So on settings, you have to go to account settings and scroll down below. There you can see delete account. Click on delete account and you're ready to go. Thank you.